My name is Steve Butler. I'm the CEO of Theta Technologies. I am responsible for the overall running of the business, the leadership of the team, and trying to take us from the research and development organisation we were 2 years ago into a fully fledged commercial operation. So our vision is to enable customers to detect flaws that current NDT systems cannot see, which will enable them to design more complex products eventually. So we are using non-linear resonance to help detect flaws that are at the microscopic level, so micro cracks that you can only see with complex machines like X-ray CT scan. So this is a novel patented technique that should help set AM industry in particular alight. So firstly, we could see micro cracks that you can't necessarily see using some of the techniques, but we can also do things much more quickly with relatively little training. So it's a piece of equipment that you can put into a production line that will enable you very quickly to assess go, no go without complex machinery. So it's faster, safer, and hopefully more economical. Well, the main method we're benchmarking against is X-ray CT, and clearly X-ray CT has to be performed in a lead-lined room effectively to protect operators. There's a lot of training needed to interpret the results, and our system is a much easier, much more benign system to use. Primarily aerospace and defence, where high critical components are in use, but it's also very applicable to power generation, particularly the nuclear industry, and indeed things like high-end automotive, where you're looking at cutting-edge performance for racing cars and things like that.